In 2021, Facebook had reached over 2 billion users and was continuing to grow rapidly. It was just a matter of time until Facebook ventured out, and they did so with the Facebook Portal versus Portal Small. What are the differences between the Facebook Portal and the Facebook Portal Mini, and which one should you choose if you have to choose between the two? What precisely does Portal do? Despite its futuristic-sounding moniker, Facebook's Portal and its upgraded version, the Portal Plus, are really rather simple pieces of technology. This gadget's primary function is to provide more intimate and customized video calls between Facebook pals. Traditional methods of video chatting require you to either face your computer's camera the whole time or hold your mobile device in front of you so that the other person can see you. However, with Facebook Portal and Portal Plus, everything has changed. You may have a hands-free video conversation with your pals by placing a device called Portal on a table, desk, or TV stand and having the camera track and follow you as you move about the room. Portal is not just a video chat device, but also a tablet that can be used to browse images, listen to music from services like Spotify, and interact with the Alexa speech assistant from Amazon. With all of these features plus the ability to sync and link with your smartphone and other devices, it's easy to understand why Facebook Portal and Facebook Portal Plus are proving to be such major successes, particularly during these lockdown and work from home times caused by the worldwide epidemic. Exactly what are the distinctions between the Portal and the Portal Mini? The size of the display is the primary distinction between the Portal and Portal Mini devices. While the Portal's display is 10 inches in size, the Portal Mini's is just 8 inches. Portal When communicating through Portal, it's as though both parties are in the same physical space. When you're moving about the house, whether it's to check on the cooking or to chase the kids around the living room, Portal's smart camera will adapt itself to keep everyone in view. Alexa built-in makes it possible to use the hundreds of Alexa skills without lifting a finger. And if your friends and family don't have Portal, you can still keep in contact with them via video chats to and from their smartphones and tablets. Storytime is one of Portal's special features, allowing players to read along with familiar tales while enjoying engaging animation and augmented reality effects. Spotify, Pandora, Heart Radio, YouTube, CNN, and the Food Network are just some of the services that may be accessed via Portal. Portal just requires constant access to a Wi-Fi network and AC power, and there is no monthly subscription. Portal Mini Facebook's Portal Mini is a smart video conferencing device with Alexa pre-installed. If your loved ones don't have Portal, you may still easily make video calls to them on their mobile devices using Messenger or WhatsApp. With Messenger Rooms, you can easily establish or join video conversations with up to 50 individuals, making group communication a breeze. The smart camera automatically pans and zooms to maintain a clear view of what's happening, regardless of how many people are in the frame. Smart Sound improves the speaker's voice while decreasing ambient noise. All calls made via Portal are encrypted for privacy. To prevent being filmed or recorded, or to cover the lens of the camera, just flip a switch. With Portal's ever-expanding collection of augmented reality activities, you can have even more shared adventures. Your children will enjoy Storytime, where their favorite stories come to life with music, animation, and immersive effects, and where you may take on the role of one of the characters. Use the smartphone app to send your Instagram and Facebook photographs straight to your Portal. Images may be sent and received during phone conversations. Ask it a question, add it to your shopping list, manage your smart home, and more with Alexa built-in. Facebook Live facilitates effortless hands-free broadcasting to friends, family, and followers. An increasing number of our partners, such as Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and the Food Network, provide a wide variety of entertainment options that may be accessed with the activation of additional accounts. Partners like Zoom and Workplace from Facebook make it possible to do more productive work from home. Portal need both AC power and a wireless internet connection to function. Images on the screen are a simulation. The exact way each individual uses the service is impossible to predict. A separate sign-up, agreement, and cost could be necessary. Who are Portal devices for? You and the people you want to contact must both have a Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp account